Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, notice the gentle rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall of your chest, the soft whisper of air moving in and out. There is nothing you need to do right now, nothing to achieve, nothing to fix. Simply allow yourself to be here, in this space, with this breath. And I invite you to notice the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, the subtle support, holding you, the way gravity gently anchors you into this present moment. Perhaps you feel the air against your skin, the temperature of the room, the quiet sounds around you. Each sensation is a thread connecting you to now. Now, bring your awareness to the space behind your closed eyes, the darkness there, the stillness. And as you take another deep breath in, imagine that you are breathing in peace itself, a soft, warm light entering your lungs, filling your chest, spreading through your body. And as you exhale, release any tension, any holding, any thought that does not serve you. Let your breath become a wave, a gentle ocean tide within you. Inhale, and the wave rises, carrying with it a sense of calm. Exhale, and the wave recedes, leaving behind a quiet shore of tranquility. With each breath, you are sinking deeper into this state, deeper into the... Now, I want you to imagine a memory, a time when you felt completely at peace. Perhaps it was a moment in nature, the sound of waves, the warmth of sunlight, the stillness of a forest, or maybe it was a quiet evening at home, a moment of deep contentment, a feeling of being exactly where you needed to be. Et så of deep breath of injur bok til state breath, as beelning astwichi tate coach die. And as the tate breath, as the ends of vases noto tells, and as you breath, and I coach light state, he said the qualo, the ester imagine, prester coast. Now, I want you to repeat these words silently in your mind. With each breath, I am peace. I am calm. I am serenity. And again, I am peace. I am serenity. In your Danny friend and Deegan, in fisterenity, as you look into the waters resonating in your bones, in your cells, in every part of your being, the faced or outward say, imagine now that you are standing at the edge of a still lake, The water is glass-like, reflecting the sky, the trees, the mountains in the distance. You are alone here, and yet you feel completely connected to the earth, to the air, to the infinite stillness around you. But stay, as you look into the water, you see your own reflection, calm, centered, at peace. And you know that this reflection is not separate from you. It is you, the real you, the part of you that has always been tranquil. You states, its gentle embrace. As you walk deeper, the water rises to your waist, to your chest, to your shoulders, and with each step, you feel the water washing away any disturbance, any worry, any thought that is not peace. The water is pure serenity, and it is absorbing into your very essence, and ought float on your back. Let the water hold you completely. Look up. Repeat these words now. I am held by peace. I am supported by calm. I am carried by serenity. A tactic. Feel the water supporting you. Feel the sky above you. Feel the earth beneath the water. You are part of this wholeness, this balance, this harmony. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the rise and fall of your chest. But keep the feeling of peace with you. It is now a part of your body, a part of your mind, a part of your soul. And I want you to press your thumb and forefinger together again, lightly, as you did before. Notice how instantly the peace returns, how it deepens, how it anchors itself in your nervous system. This is your anchor, your signal to your subconscious that peace is available. Always take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let that peace radiate out from your heart into the space around you. It touches the air, it touches the room, it touches everything within your awareness. You are a source of tranquility, a beacon of calm, a center of serenity. And now, imagine that this peace is not just a feeling, but a frequency, a vibration that resonates through your entire being. It hums softly in your bones. It pulses gently in your blood. It whispers in your thoughts. And now, impulsed ever and may be, in other by, and banking, now, sis in those zembly, this peace, the soul. Now, I want you to bring to mind a situation in your life that has felt challenging, a moment of stress, a source of tension, and as you hold this situation in your awareness, press your thumb and forefinger together, activating your anchor. Notice how the peace you have cultivated now flows into that situation. it surrounds it, it transforms it. The challenge is still there, but it is now bathed in tranquility. It is now manageable. It is now a part of your peaceful landscape. The sound mind, the forefinger, you have the power to bring peace into any moment, any place, any relationship. This is your gift, your resource, your anchor. And with each breath, you strengthen this ability, you deepen this state. You become more and more the embodiment of peace. It is imagine now that you are walking through a garden of your own creation. Notice each flower is a moment of peace you have experienced. Each tree is a memory of calm. Each path is a journey towards serenity. You walk slowly, deliberately, enjoying every step, every sight, every scent. That air is filled with the fragrance of tranquility. The sounds are the music of stillness, and you know that this garden is always within you, a sanctuary you can visit at any time. Repeat these words. I am the gardener of my peace. I cultivate calm with every breath. I nurture serenity with every thought. Feel the truth of this. Feel the power now. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your awareness expand beyond your body, beyond the room, beyond this moment. Feel the peace that exists in the universe, the vast stillness of space, the quiet rhythm of the stars, the eternal calm of the cosmos. You are connected to this infinite peace. You are part of it. It is part of you. There is no separation, no distance, only unity, only harmony, only balance. And as you return your awareness to your body, to your breath, to this moment, carry this cosmic peace with you. Let it infuse every cell, every thought, every emotion. You are now a vessel of tranquility, a channel of serenity, a beacon of calm, and Taik Areni, a funk chord, as serenity, a funk of peace, a peace. It's now, effortlessly, naturally, a funked serenity. To this pace it, to every stillness, every light, every repeat these final affirmations with me, silently in your mind. I am peace. I am calm. I am serenity. I am balance. I am whole. I am home. 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 And as you prepare to return to the room, to the sounds around you, to the light behind your eyelids, know that this peace is not something you need to find. It is something you have always been, and now you have anchored it. You have claimed it. You have made it yours. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.